What's going on, guys? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor, and I'm back for all my subscribers. I know it's been a while. I've been working on my social media marketing agency, so I'm building my own brand, my own business, and that stuff takes a lot of time. Hopefully, I'll be putting out some more videos trying to show you that journey, but just bear with me. But I'm back with another banger video. I'm going to be talking about how to make ebooks. And the thing about ebooks is it's a great way to make passive income. I'm going to explain that to you in this video, but let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to make your free ebook using the platform called Canva. And if you want, you can go in the description below and look at my ebook and get the template. It's free for you. All you have to do is just opt in, give me your email, I'll send it to you. And it's a great ebook, has some great content in it. You can pretty much copy and paste and use it to your advantage, or you can just read through it. Like I said, some great content in it. And I suggest you look at it and then show passive income and start generate more income from your 9 to 5 and just make your life a lot easier and a lot stress-free. So make sure you get in the description below, get that free download while it's still free, because it's not going to be free for a long time. It's going to be limited. But like I said, let's get straight into this video, okay? So what we're going to be using is a platform called Canva. So let me see, let me get my computer acting right. My computer is acting kind of weird today because I have a new, and for those that have been subscribed, y'all know that quality should be a lot better with my computer, but it's not really agreeing with it. But anyway, so what you want to do is go to Canva ebook maker, and that's on Google, and you will want to create a free account. When you create that free account, you want to use Google Chrome. The reason you want to use Google Chrome is because the next time you want to log in, all you have to do is click log in one time, and you won't have to do all the password and all that stuff. It'll let you straight through. It works very, very well with Google Chrome. So I suggest you use Google Chrome when you create your Canva account, and you'll start being able to make your ebook. So once you create your account, get to do it with Google Chrome, you're going to log in, and you're going to get to a screen that's going to look like this when it comes up. Let's wait for it. Come on. All right. Yeah, this is acting like super. There we go. Hey, all right. So cool. So you will get to a screen that looks just like this. Now, today I'm using the go vegan or veganism kind of thing. So let's say I'm writing an ebook about veganism or going vegan. This is where you would want to start with Canva. Like I said, it's free and it's very professional. You can get a great cover photo. So this would be my cover pretty much. And what I would do, I would edit this. I would say the ultimate guide to going vegan, or going vegan in 15 days, or going vegan in 30 days. Like I said, in my ebook, if you download it in the description, you will see how I formatted the book about passive income, how to gain passive income in 30 days or less. So make sure you get that, like I said before. But what you'll want to do for your book, if you don't want to get that template, you'll want to go to Canva, go here and go to templates or elements and start editing. So you want to add in all your information that you want for your cover photo. And once you get all that pretty, getting it look the way you want to look, you will know, I already have a new page pulled up, but you will see at the bottom it says add new page, right? So then once you add a new page, you'll have a blank page, and you'll want to go to templates, and you'll want to start pretty much over. Now for me, my advice to you, I started with a blank template, and I just started adding like my words, my content. I broke it down, and if you look at the ebook that I put in the description below, you'll see how I broke it down, like by chapters and the content and all that good stuff, right? So that's what you'll want to do for your ebook. Now I'm guessing, I know you probably like, Trey, why do I need an ebook? Well, here's the thing. When you're trying to create passive income, or when you're trying to promote a certain product, or you're trying to grow your business, you want to give something free. And an ebook is the perfect thing to give away for free. Like my ebook is super free, and I'm actually giving you the opportunity to use it so it's useful. You can use it as a template, or you can just read through it and get some information out of it. So that's what you want to do with an ebook. A lot of people don't want to do blogs, and a lot of people don't want to do a lot of videos. So you can, if you do a few videos and give away your ebook, your email list will grow, and that way you can always target your clients and your potential customers. So I think an ebook is the best way to start growing your email list and start growing your company. Now, another thing about giving something free, when you give something free, that builds trust. So I'm giving you free information on this video. I'm giving you free ebooks. I'm giving you free information in that ebook on how to grow for you. And it's not charging you anything. You're not being coming out of your pocket to get this information. It's all free and it's good content. So that's what you want to do with the ebook. So once you're done with your ebook, have fun with it. Be creative. Put some time into it. For me, I've been doing the kind of ad copy and email copy for a while, so it didn't take me as long. But if this is your first time, you want to take some time into it, use some of these free templates, use some of these free pictures, make it look good, make it pop, put pictures in it, and then you'll want to click download. So once you click download, like I said, it's free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to put no credit card information in. All you say is download, and it'll download to your computer, and it'll download as a PDF format. Then what you'll do from there, you will start giving it out on whatever platform you want to give it out on. Me, I suggest using MailChimp. Go to MailChimp, create another free account. Create a free account, go to MailChimp, learn how to use it. It's a lot of videos on YouTube about that. I'll probably make a video about it for my channel, so subscribe for that if you want to see that. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if you want to see some more stuff like this, subscribe to my video, hit the notification bell if you like. I'm always giving out good content just like this. But like I said, with MailChimp, you'll go on MailChimp, make a email list, and in that email list, in order for them to get to your email list, you'll want to give them this free ebook or your free ebook and say, hey, you want my ebook? Come over. I'm going to shoot it to you. And then I'm going to probably shoot out a couple newsletters throughout the week. And people will go, you know, because they like free things. They like free content and good value content, because there's so many people trying to sell stuff these days. So giving out free content is the best way to go. And if you want to make an ebook, Canva is the best way to go. I promise you, you will not go wrong. You will love your ebook. It's going to look professional. It's going to look great. I can't wait to see some of your ebook. If you want to put your link in the description below, in the comments below, so I can go check it out, I will. That'll be great. But like I said, if you want an email template, you want to see how you'll see it say my ebook here, or the free ebook here, free download. It'll say something like that, to that sort, and you can go through, look at the kind of concept or how get some good information out of it. It's gonna be some other stuff in the description below, also talking about passive income and also about my social media profile, so you can always look at that too. And then like all that is great. So until next time, I'm about to get out of here. I got some work to do about my business, and I'm trying to make another video this week. So I hope to see you soon. Hit me up in the comments, say what's up, and to everybody, you are royalty.